Hey guys, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Man. Some friends didn't know how to set up the boot logo for Mercedes and your screen. This model is Android 13. Now, let me show you the original boot logo in factory menu. Here is the boot logo. Only 4 logos here. So we can add more logo to this. Now I will show you how to do it. The first is to prepare a UDIS. The format is FIT32. And then connect to the USB here. Now I connect to the USB. After that, we need to go to the apps, Explorer, File Explorer here. We go to the inside of the unit. Here, you can see this 0 is the OEM unit here. OEM memory. Inside the memory, we put the logo in the memory inside here. You can see my logo 13 zip. That is a zip format. Choose it here. Hold the menu and choose it. We need to copy and go to the USB here. UDIS we input. Here you can see. Go to UDIS and paste here. That way, we copy the zip logo, zip file logo. Copy the logo from internal memory to the UDIS. We insert to the USB. That way, we can take a look. Here. We take a look. This, and here there's a logo here. So that way, now the logo in the UDIS now, right? Because we copy from the internal memory here. So we go back to the factory menu. And go to the boot logo. Here, there's import, right? Click it. Import. Import the logo from the UDIS. Import successfully here. Then we can go to factory again. We take a look. Here you can see it have the logo here, right? Here. Then you just set the logo as a boot logo. For example, I set this used as a boot logo. Okay. That way, when I restart the unit, now I restart the unit. Then I power on again. Then it will have the boot logo reset. Because I set the boot thing, go to the OEM menu. I said go to the Android side. Then you can see the boot logo here. We need to make a setting. Because when you set to the OEM menu, it cannot see the logo we set. Make a setting. You can see function. Remember the last mode. Now it's set to the OEM system. So we change to the setting. Set to the Android homepage. That way you can see the boot logo. Okay. Okay. We restart the unit. Restart. Here you can see, when it restart, it will see this logo. Okay. Then it will just go to the Android menu here. That's fine now. Okay. Here. Thank you for watching.